Today we are going to learn about circuit in switch. So what is circuit? Circuit is the piece which allows electrons to flow through. So there are two types of circuit: open circuit, closed circuit. And what is switch? Switch is a device which can open or close an circuit. And there are three types of these switches. First is the reed switch, then it's the push button, finally it's the normal button. So what is push button? Push button is a type of switch which has a spring. Now I'll show you my experiment. I'll keep this exam board here, keep these here. Now I'll take my switch. Here there's a buzzer. So keep the switch off. The circle has to be flat. Now it's time to push the switch. Now it's time for a push button. It will look like a tiny button to press. Now it's time to take up the switch and put the push button. Make sure that the two alligator clips won't touch. Now it's time to push the button. Hold the button. Now it's time to hold the button. Now it's time to remove it. There. Thank you.